Hi viewers, welcome to Botany Point. Today in this video I am going to talk about the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. So in our previous video we already opened the first theory, that is photosynthesis, the theory of photosynthesis in guard cell, and this one the second theory, that is theory of starch to sugar interconversion. So according to the three scientists, Lloyd in 1905, Lotfield in 1921 and Sayre 1926, they observe the amount of starch is increases inside the guard cell, that is in night time, and it decreases in daytime. Clear? So the starch inside the guard cell is insoluble starch, which is present inside the guard cell, is now what happened? Hydrolyzed to soluble glucose 1-phosphate. Remember, okay? Here what happened? The insoluble starch hydrolyzed to form soluble glucose 1-phosphate, and that is it. In case of daytime, and during night time what happened? This one, the soluble glucose 1-phosphate, then again converted to insoluble starch, that is in night time. So this one is the interconversible process. Okay, clear? Now come to Sayre. Okay. So according to Sayre, what happened in 1926? Sayre explained that, observed that the opening and closing of stomata depend upon the pH value. Okay, it depend upon the pH value. So what happened in this case? When pH increases, the stoma open, and the pH decreases, stoma closed. Okay, so mainly in one thing is more the pH concentration. Come to about the concentration of the pH. When the pH concentration is 7 in increasing order, that means in increasing concentration, stoma what? Open, and in concentration level reduced to 5, it is decreased, then it stoma get closed during which time? Night time. And this one is during daytime. Clear? The pH concentration is when 7, that time what happened? Stoma open at daytime, and when it reduced to concentration, when the concentration levels decreases or reduced at 5, then stoma get closed during night time. So this is the fundamental about Sayre observation. Okay. So now come how it happened. So when the pH increases, what happened? When the pH increases, what happened? The starch, this one is what? This one is insoluble starch. The insoluble starch is hydrolyzed into soluble sugar. Okay, soluble sugar, and this has happened because of an enzyme, in presence of some enzyme, that is phosphorylase. In presence of phosphorylase enzyme, the insoluble starch is converted to soluble sugar at pH 7. Remember this one. Okay, now come about this opposite. Okay, after that what happened? Then when the concentration, now the cell is what? Inside the cell soluble sugar are there. So when the concentration of the soluble sugar increases, then what happened? OP increases. starch is converted to sugar. Okay, so the sugar is now in which form? Solid form. So to soluble it, is solid form. So when the concentration is high, then what happened? Osmotic pressure increases inside where? Inside the guard cell. Okay. Now what happened? To soluble it from the outer cells, that is from the mesophyll cell, to guard cell, water transfer or moving. Okay, in which process? Diffusion. Remember, when the starch is converted to sugar in presence or the starch is hydrolyzed to soluble sugar in presence of phosphorylase enzyme. Okay, after that one time will come where the concentration of sugar level is high, soluble sugar level is high. In that time what happens? The osmotic pressure increases inside the guard cell. Okay, all this happens inside the guard cell. Remember, okay, all these things or the process have happened inside the guard cell. So what happened when osmotic pressure increases inside the guard cell? Due to this sugar is now in which form? Solid form. To soluble it from the outer cells started to what? Started to what? Standing, not standing. The water mainly travel from the outer cell to inner cell. That is from the mesophyll cell to guard cell. Remember. Okay. In which process? In the process of diffusion. Okay. Okay. One level will come. Then after that one level will come. The guard cell get what? Turzid. So due to turzidity inside the guard cell, what happened? Turgor pressure will develop. So now what happened? Inside the cell, OP and TP, both the pressure are in guard cell. Osmotic pressure and turgor pressure. For which what happened? Due to pressure, stoma gets open. Clear? And this thing happened at pH 7. Remember. Now come to, and stoma open during daytime here. Okay. Now come to stoma close. How stoma close? Inside the guard cell, the product is now sugar. Okay. Now the soluble sugar is tried to convert to starch. Okay. When it convert to starch, when OP and TP reduce. Okay. So OP and TP become 0. Then what happened? Cell get turgid to flaccid condition. Okay. When OP and TP reduce, cell get flaccid. Okay. Due to flaccidity, what happened? Now sugar is converted to starch form. Okay. And for this what happened? Stoma, due to flaccidity, stoma closed. And such thing happened during night time. Clear about this? Okay. Now come to another scientist observation, that is letter on the sketch in 1932. Sketch explained the basis of change in pH of guard cell. Okay, so how the pH change? So what he proposed, that he proposed the same theory, starch and sugar interconversion. So according to him, that respiration and photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. So what happened in respiration and photosynthesis? In respiration, what? The product of the respiration is carbon dioxide. In respiration, release of carbon dioxide. Okay. So here what happened? When in respiration, CO2 release, it absorbed by mesophyll cell. Okay. So mesophyll cell present inside the, where? Mesophyll cell present in leaf. Okay. So that is directly absorbed by photosynthesis process and it absorbed by mesophiles inside the mesophyll cells. When it absorbed by the mesophyll cell, at that time the pH concentration is increases. Okay, and the pH concentration increases, that means all things are happening in daytime. Clear? Then come to its night time. What happened? During night time, when the respiration CO2 releases, that time due to lack of photosynthesis, what happened? The CO2 is now deposited or accumulate inside where? Intercellular spaces of mesophyll cell. And that stage, what happened? pH concentration decreases. Okay, so whenever the pH decreases, what happened? Suppose when the pH increases, see first what happened. When pH concentration increases, in that time what happened? The starch is converted to what? Soluble sugar. Okay, that is our, in which form? Glucose 1-phosphate. Okay, and when from the respiration that release from the respiratory product, that is carbon dioxide released in night or dark condition, what happened? It doesn't used by photosynthesis, because the lack of the photosynthesis, the CO2 accumulate, or now it moves to intercellular spaces of the mesophyll cell. Okay, intercellular spaces of the mesophyll cell, between the two mesophyll cells, that are intercellular spaces. And that condition pH decreases. And that still what happened? From the soluble sugar converted to starch at pH 5. Clear about this? So come to here. And what happened? The cell shape, guard cell shape, when pH decreases, obviously the cell is flaccid condition, and here what happened? Stoma closed. And when the pH concentration increases, what happened? Here stoma, here stoma open, and when it decreases, stoma closed. Okay, so here come some important or a summary about this, that is the how changes take place during closing of stomata. First upon closing of stomata. So what happens when CO2 concentration or CO2 become accumulate in intercellular spaces first, then what happened? pH of cell shape of guard cell is reduced to what? 5. Reduced to 5. Then soluble sugar are converted into starch. That what happened? Due to that, OP of the guard cell is reduced. Obviously, when the soluble starch is converted to starch, when the soluble starch is converted to insoluble starch. Okay, and what happened? OP also, that time OP of the guard cell also reduced. So from this overall, that finally the water of the guard cell diffusion outside due to the exosmosis result in flaccid stage of the cells and close of the stomata occur. So here what happened in step by step, first of all accumulation of CO2 inside the intercellular spaces, that is in mesophyll cells. That lead to what? Decreasing or reduce of the pH of the cell shape, for which now the soluble sugar is converted to insoluble starch. Due to that, OP of the guard cell is reduced. Finally, the water of the guard cell is trying to diffuse from inside to outside. That is from guard cell to mesophyll cell. And this process is known as exosmosis. Resulting, what happened? About the guard cell become flaccid in condition. And due to flaccid condition, now the guard cell become closed. Okay, stoma, it's not guard cell, sorry, the stoma is closed. The next, changes take place during opening of stomach. What happened here? Changing concentration of CO2 in level is reduced due to photosynthesis. When the photosynthesis occur, first respiration. Due to respiration, CO2 concentration increases, and this CO2 is absorbed by photosynthesis, and photosynthesis occur inside the guard cell. Then what happens? The pH of the cell surface increases up to 7 due to what? CO2 absorbed by the mesophyll cell. That's why the cell surface increases to pH increases to 7, up to 7. Then what happened? The starch, the insoluble starch now converted to soluble sugar due to some enzyme, that is phosphorylase enzyme, in the process of hydrolysis. Okay, the starch is hydrolysis to what? Insoluble sugar in the presence of enzyme, that is phosphorylase enzyme. Now what happened? What happened inside the guard cell? Guard cell, here the OP, the osmotic pressure will increases. Now the last one, the water from the mesophyll are diffused. Okay, diffusion why occur? After increasing the concentration of the guard cell, then what happened? From the outer layer, the outer mesophyll cells started to diffuse the water. So the diffusion process, water moves from the guard cell, and this process is known as what? Endosmosis. Clear? And the guard cell become now turgid, and due to turgidity and also osmotic pressure are there, for that now stomata try to open, and finally it opens, and here one reaction, that is starch PO4 in presence of phosphorylation at pH 7 at light, hydrolysis occur. Due to hydrolysis, what is formed? Here this one is the insoluble sugar, that is glucose 1-phosphate, G1P. Okay, that is insoluble and osmotically active. So this video is about the second, that is starch sugar interconversion. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share the video and hit the like button, comment, subscribe the Botany Point. Thank you so much.